Alright, let's dive into this fascinating world of Decentraland. Imagine a virtual universe where users own the land and everything is developed collaboratively. It's like a digital playground, but instead of swings and slides, you have plots of land, collectibles, and even your own creations. It's a bit like Minecraft meets the stock market, right?
Oh wow, that sounds super cool. So, how does the ownership part work? Like, do you actually buy land, or is it more like renting?
Great question. In Decentraland, you actually buy land as NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Think of it like owning a piece of real estate in the digital realm. You can build on it, sell it, or even rent it out. It's all about creating value in this virtual space. Imagine if you could buy a plot of land in London back in the 1800s. You'd be sitting on a gold mine today, right?
Oh, totally. So, what kind of things can you build on your land? Like, can I create a virtual coffee shop or something?
Absolutely. You can create anything from a virtual coffee shop to an art gallery or even a concert venue. The possibilities are endless. It's like being a digital architect. You can design your space however you want, and then invite others to come and experience it. Just think about how cool it would be to host a virtual art show where people from all over the world can attend without leaving their homes.
That's insane. So, what about the collectibles? Are they like, trading cards or something?
Exactly. Collectibles in Decentraland can be anything from digital art pieces to unique items that you can showcase in your virtual space. It's like having a gallery of your own, but instead of physical paintings, you have digital assets. And just like trading cards, some collectibles can become quite valuable over time. Imagine having a rare digital painting that everyone wants. Suddenly, you're the owner of a virtual Picasso.
Wow, that's wild. So, how do people actually interact in this world? Is it like a game, or is it more of a social platform?
It's a bit of both. Decentraland is designed to be a social platform where users can interact, explore, and create together. You can attend events, play games, or just hang out with friends in your virtual space. It's like a mix of a social media platform and a video game, where the community drives the experience. Just imagine going to a virtual concert with your friends, dancing in a digital space, and meeting new people from all over the globe.
Oh man, that sounds like a blast. So, what about the governance part? How do decisions get made in this virtual world?
Governance is a crucial aspect. Decentraland operates on a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. This means that the community has a say in how things are run. It's like a digital democracy where landowners can vote on proposals, changes, and improvements. So, if you own land, you have a voice in shaping the future of Decentraland. It's empowering, really. Just think about how different it would be if we could vote on changes in our own cities like that.
That's super interesting. So, are there any events happening in Decentraland? Like, do they have virtual festivals or something?
Oh, absolutely. Decentraland hosts a variety of events, from virtual art exhibitions to music festivals. It's like a never-ending party in the digital realm. You can attend these events, meet other users, and even showcase your own creations. It's a vibrant community where creativity thrives. Just imagine a virtual Coachella, but you can attend in your pajamas.
Haha, that sounds amazing. So, how do I get started if I want to jump into this world?
Getting started is pretty straightforward. You'll need a digital wallet to buy land or collectibles, and then you can create your avatar and start exploring. It's like stepping into a new world where you can express yourself and connect with others. Just remember, the more you engage with the community, the more you'll discover.
Wow, I can't wait to try it out. So, is there anything else I should know before diving in?
Just keep an open mind and be ready to explore. Decentraland is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to discover. It's a place where creativity knows no bounds, and who knows, you might just create the next big thing in the virtual world.
That's so exciting. So, do you think there are any risks involved? Like, what if I invest in something and it doesn't pan out?
That's a valid concern. Like any investment, there are risks involved. It's important to do your research and understand the market. Think of it like investing in art. Some pieces appreciate over time, while others may not. The key is to be informed and make decisions that align with your interests and goals.
That makes sense. So, What's the craziest thing you've seen happen in Decentraland?